Hello everybody, welcome back to my another video. So today we'll be talking about how to use Expedia Premier Host Program 2026. So as of 2026, the Verbo Premier Host Program, which is a part of Expedia Group, is an invitation-only status awarded to high-performing individual listings rather than the host account. So the key requirements include a 99% or higher booking acceptance rate, 0% owner-initiated cancellation, and a 4.6 plus average review rating. So to use Expedia Premier Host Program, you have to apply a stricter criteria focusing on high-quality guest experiences. The status is applied at the individual property level rather than to entire portfolio, which allows specific listing to earn the badge. Now, qualifying listings get a Premier Host badge, higher search ranking, and appear in dedicated filters for travelers. Also, the accounts are reviewed quarterly on February 1, May 1, August 1, and November 1. Now, access to priority, which is 24/7 support. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you like this video. See you in my next one.